What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix spray out with two new colors and a new pearl. Well, I say they're new, but the combination is new. You've seen these pearls and these colors before. Well, I had a subscriber, actually two different subscribers. One wanted to see hunter green with a red pearl over top. Interesting, kind of Christmassy, but we'll go with it. And another subscriber wanted to see royal blue with a red pearl over top. That seems interesting too. So, of course, you know me, I'm gonna spray it out for you guys and we're gonna see, and then you guys get to rate it. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and the subscribers are on to something. But either way, guys, I got my fender prepped up behind me, wet sanded down with 600 grit, wiped really good with some prep oil, and we're gonna get into today's mix. We're gonna two-tone this fender, hunter green, royal blue. Let's get into it. Alright guys, I keep wanting to say royal blue, I think, but that's cobalt blue and hunter green. Sorry. Anyways, I got 4 ounces of clear today. I've got my medium temp activator because it's about 75 degrees. It mixes 4 to 1, so 4 parts clear, 1 part hardener. So I'm going to put that in there. But first, the pearl we're using, cherry pearl. Now, you guys have seen this pearl a lot on the channel. It's a very, very, very cool pearl. And I guess that's why they wanted to see it over these strange colors. But both these colors are on the medium to darker side, so I'm hoping I don't have any issues with the cherry going over top. But as I learned from the last experiment doing the bronze, I need to drop the pigment load down just a little bit because it's very overwhelming a lot of times. So I'm going to try to not do it as much. And the rule of thumb with this, guys, is you can always add more coats, but you can't take away. So I'm going to spritz a little bit in the mix. All right, that should be enough. Like I said, I'm going kind of light on this, so if I have to, I can add more coats. But anyways, I'm going to get this stirred up real quick, and I'll bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so here it is, cherry red in all its glory, real popular color. And I just spritzed a little bit in there, just like a pinch or two with my fingers. And yeah, you can see it's already saturated as all get out. So let's load up the gun real quick, and let's spray it over these colors and see if we can't create something cool. Alright guys, so as always, I got my V4 gun here. It's got a 1.4 tip. Got it loaded up with some of this crazy red pearl clear, and we're going to shoot it over this fender. My settings are 28 PSI. That's wide open trigger on the regulator if you want to replicate it. But as always, I'm going to hit it with a tack coat first, just kind of introduce everything. And then we'll keep adding coats till we get the desired effect. And then I'll show you what it looks like. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is a spray out today. Cobalt blue and hunter green with a cherry red pearl. Now, I had one subscriber ask for hunter green, but he wanted to see the cherry red pearl and wanted to see the bronze over top of hunter green. So I was like, well, I got another subscriber that wanted to see the bronze over a lighter teal blue, and then I had another subscriber that wanted to see cobalt blue or, you know, the medium blue with a red pearl over that. So I just said, hey, let me just split it all out in one big bonanza of an episode. So that's what happened today, guys. So you got double the spray outs, and hope you'll double the likes and double the subscribers. And nah, I'm just kidding with you. But anyways, I really do hope if you made it this far in the video today, guys, you'll hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Helps me out tremendously. Drop me a like and comment. The engagement helps me out tremendously too. And if you want to buy anything you see on the channel, the pearls, the clear, the paint gun, the regulators, any of it, guys, links in the description. It goes to As Seen on YouTube, takes you to my Amazon page when you click on it, and I get a small kickback, but it costs you guys nothing extra, and you get the benefits of Amazon Prime, getting it quick, and the stuff's really not expensive at all. So I try to make it as affordable as possible for you guys with doing these selections or whatever, because we're all about saving money and balling on a budget, right? So anyways, guys, I had a lot of fun today. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray outs.